So you walk into a coffee shop, ready for your caffeine fix, and suddenly you just freeze. How do I order a coffee? What do I say in English? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, I'm going to show you how to order a coffee very simply, step by step, in English. Please feel free to pause the video and practice this out loud. Trust me, that really will help. Okay, first things first, saying hello to the barista. When you walk into a coffee shop or a cafe, the first thing you usually do is greet the person at the counter. This is usually the barista, so nothing too fancy. Honestly, a simple hello is often enough. Now, many of you who are watching this probably think this is common sense, but sometimes we do forget. And remember, repetition is key. We need to repeat even simple phrases often to learn English fast. So let's go through some basic examples. Number one, hi, how are you? You don't need a long answer back. The barista might just say, hi, I'm good, thanks. So this is just a friendly way to greet someone and start. Okay, number two, good morning. And if it's past 12 o'clock, don't forget, good afternoon. Number three, hello. Short, simple, and always a safe option. So if you're feeling shy, just say hello. So the main point here is don't overthink anything. Keep it short and simple. And to greet someone like this, it's respectful and polite, helps the conversation go smoothly. Okay, next, ordering the size of your coffee. In most English-speaking coffee shops, you'll usually have 3 sizes: small, medium, or large. Some shops like Starbucks, for example, might have some other different names for the sizes. But if you say small, medium, or large, the barista's probably going to understand you. So here are 3 example sentences you can use. Number 1, can I have a small coffee, please? This is the most basic and polite way to order, using can I and then the size of your coffee. Number 2, I'll take a medium latte, please. So if you use I'll take, sometimes it can sound a bit more confident. Number 3, a large cappuccino, please. So sometimes you don't even need a full sentence. Just saying the size and then the drink can be enough. But don't forget to say please, as that always sounds polite. So the trick is, don't worry too much about grammar. The barista is going to hear these sentences all the time, all day. So as long as you say the size clearly, they'll know exactly what you mean. Okay, next, choosing your drink. There are many types of coffee drinks, but don't worry, you don't need to know all of them. The main ones you'll probably see are Americano, cappuccino, latte, and espresso. If you don't know what to order, usually a latte is quite a safe choice, quite milky and smooth. So here are 3 example sentences you can use. Number 1, can I have a latte, please? This is simple and polite. If you don't know what else to get, then this one works every time. Okay, number 2, I'd like an espresso. I'd like is another quick and easy way to order, and it's polite. It's a little more formal than can I have, but still they're both great. Number 3, just a black Americano, please. So if you want plain coffee with no milk, no sugar, nothing fancy, just a black Americano is enough. Or a black coffee. So both of those, the barista should understand. The important thing here is don't be afraid of making mistakes. As long as you say the name of the drink and please, you'll be fine. Okay, adding extras like milk, syrup, sugar, for example. If you want, you can ask the barista for some added extras like different types of milk, syrups, or sugar. Here are 3 examples. Number 1, can I have it with soy milk, please? This works if you don't want regular milk. You can also say, can I have it with oat milk, almond milk, or coconut milk? Or really whatever milk they might have on the menu. Number 2, no sugar, please. So if you don't want any sugar, then this is simple and clear. Number 3, Can I have vanilla syrup? Many coffee shops might have flavored syrups like vanilla, hazelnut, or caramel. So asking for this makes your drink a little sweeter and fun. The key idea here is just keep it simple and short, and just add the extra after you've ordered your drink. So, for example, can I have a latte with vanilla syrup, please? Okay. Paying for your coffee. This part is quick. The barista will tell you the price and there's no need for long sentences here. So you can say, can I pay by card? This is very useful if you're not sure whether they take cards or not. If you prefer to pay by cash, you can say, can I pay by cash, please? Number 2, here you go. If you're giving your card to the barista or your cash, then you can say, here you go. So this is natural and polite. Number 3, can I get the receipt, please? For whatever reason, if you need a receipt, this is a polite way to ask to have that. Okay, the important part here is just to speak clearly and don't overthink it. The barista just needs to know how you're going to pay. The last one, saying thank you and goodbye. So after you pay, the barista will probably give you your coffee. So this is the moment to smile and say a polite goodbye. It's a small thing, I know, but it makes a really big difference. So here are 3 things you can say. Number 1, thank you. Short, simple, you can't go wrong with a thank you. Number 2, thanks, have a nice day. So this adds a little extra kindness. And if it's in the morning, you could say, thanks and have a nice morning. Okay, number 3, see you later. This is more casual and friendly. You can use this if you think you might come back another time, or even if you don't, it's fine. So the idea here is to come across as polite and warm and friendly when you're leaving the coffee shop. And trust me, that makes a really nice impression, especially if you're traveling in a new country. And there you go, you did it. Now you know how to confidently order a coffee in English. Next time you go to a cafe or a coffee shop, you are going to know exactly what to say. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you liked this little coffee adventure that we went on today, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to continue giving you fun English tips. So, see you next time, guys. Bye.